The exterior told the story of its long abandonment. A thick layer of dirt, bird droppings, and even a few critters had made the car their home. The worst of the filth was on the trunk, roof, and hood, where bird poop had piled up over the years, raising concerns about potential damage to the paint. The interior, although less grimy, had its own challenges. Mice had settled inside, leaving behind nests and droppings that would need to be thoroughly cleaned. Despite the mess, the vehicle's condition held promise for a remarkable transformation.